Welcome to our lesson about creating a sweep using a twist. Let's begin by activating the Swept Surface tool. As usual, we select our profile and path. Now under Orientation, I'm going to select Twist Along Path. The twist can be defined in varying ways, by degrees, radians, or turns. Let's try degrees. We'll adjust the angle. Now let's try turns. Let's enter 5 turns. And here's our preview. And click OK. And let's try another example. I'm going to go to another part that I've created for this. Activate the Swept Surface tool, Profile, Path. For orientation, let's use the Twist Along Path option. Define by turns. Let's enter a value of 4. And here's our preview. As you see, you can create really complex geometry this way really quickly. This concludes our lesson about creating a sweep using the Twist Along Path option.